Today is a video I'm pretty excited about. I wanted to make sure I did it right. I've been evaluating the Blink system for 4 months now, and it has fundamentally changed my thoughts and ideas on security systems for your home, shed, vacation home, whatever it is. And it all starts right here with this micro SD center hub. You cut the cord on subscriptions for security systems. I hate those. I've got SimpliSafe. In order to really use that system, subscription is required. I've got another security system that came with the house, subscription. Subscriptions can run you anywhere from $10, $15, upwards to maybe $50 a month. And if you add it up, this capability pays for itself in less than a year. This is an unsponsored review. All my comments, thoughts, and ideas are my own. Not getting paid a penny for this. Totally, I spent under $200. SimpliSafe, probably twice that much. This is not a comparison to SimpliSafe. I'm going to just talk about this system and my fundamental change in how I think about security systems. A lot of security systems have the entry things that you put on your windows and doors, and I have that on SimpliSafe in my primary system. But you know what? They fail. Whether it's a wired system or a battery operated system, the sink and the 2K Plus are wired, but the other pieces of the system, the video doorbell and these outdoor 4 cameras have batteries, and they're supposed to last 2 years. Based on my personal experience in a front door with your doorbell camera, I don't think it's going to last 2 years because you're going in and out of it all the time. The other thing that is great about this, the app for the Blink system is really good. And I'm going to show you how to install a new piece of hardware and then some of the fundamental thoughts and ideas that make this system so much better than the other systems that are available out there for 2-3 times as much. I think you can cover everything you need to secure in your house with these motion sensing cameras. This one is great because you can use it indoors and outdoors. I think you need 1, maybe 2 indoor cameras, depending on the entries in your house and the windows and things like that. Maybe 2 or 3 of these. If you have 2 doors, maybe you want to go with 2 video doorbells. Today, this is a whole system review video. I have separate videos and I'll post them up there and down below on how to install and secure your video doorbell. Placement of this, placement of these, and this is an aftermarket mounting system that I think is really good. The one that comes with it is a little better than I originally thought, but it pops off that fast. With this system, there's certain things that you can do to keep people from stealing your camera. Maybe the best place to mount your camera is on siding. So there's another video that I recently did where I'm using clips, and I'll post that up here and down below. Originally, I bought 2 cameras, the doorbell, and it came with the regular sink. This sink doesn't have a card slot like XR has, extended range. If you want to cut the cord with subscriptions, this is not the thing to use. I kept it because it was kind of a deal and you could get all of these cheaper than buying them separately. There's periods of time during the Amazon days, they go on sale. You really want to take advantage of that if you can. In the next week or so, I'm going to compare the Blink system to the SimpliSafe system. When that video is available, I'll post it up there and down below. The other thing I really like about the Blink system, but how easy it is to install. SimpliSafe can be a bit complicated, certainly compared to the Blink system, and there were little things that had to be done and tweaked, whereas with Blink, it was really straightforward. You could use this in a dorm room, an apartment, whether you're in your teens, 20s, you're starting out, $1 million home, you could use this system. If you're in your 80s, this is pretty easy to install. Don't be intimidated. Blink has set you up for success. All the Blink hardware comes in either this white or this black color. I kind of like the black for outdoors. It blends in at night. This is a mount that you can put on a window. There's a whole bunch of different ways to do it. If you have a homeowners association that doesn't like cameras, you can conceal this in your window. Ideally, get the same amount of sensing, motion detection, all that stuff. That'll be a future video, and I'll post that up here and down below when it becomes available. And I'm going to show you how to set up the camera on your app. All of the units that are battery operated come with energizers. ultimate lithium, and they encourage you to use high quality batteries. This also has a USB-C jack. The other thing I like about all this hardware that's plugged in is USB-C, USB-C, not the mini or the micro. So you can see here, so you could run this off of a wire if you really wanted to. And if you wanted to buy these for the inside, that would work too. Pull up your blink app, hit the plus sign, and these are add to device. You're going to add an outdoor 4 camera, or wireless camera. Here we go. You want to be within 7 feet of your sink station. Continue, open it up, add the batteries. Shows you how to do it. There will be a little red light flashing. Locate the QR code, scan QR code, select your system, continue. Just talks a little bit about positioning your camera, and it takes a bit until it finds your camera. It will update the firmware at the same time that you're adding the camera. Camera successfully added. Hit done. Then it does all this, save. It's going to constantly try to get you to do the 30-day trial, and then periodically it will actually inject the trial into your system, and it's easy to click it and get a 30-day trial. But if you're trying to cut the cord and stay away from the subscriptions, just ignore that. You might have to see what's coded. Next, next, next. And if you inadvertently get into the trial, cancel trial, and say, bye-bye, not going to pay for that. Once you add the sync modules, the process is pretty much the same for all the pieces of hardware that I showed you with this camera. Line up the hole, this peg. You can use a screwdriver if you want. Just tighten that down, and it becomes waterproof. If you wanted to use a USB-C line, you just take that off, and you plug in the USB-C. This is what the outdoor 4 camera looks and sounds like during the day, 6 feet away. 2 feet away. This is the outdoor 4 camera at night from about 5 feet away, 3 feet away. And this is how you plug in the USB-C for the 2K, same way. And the 2K has a nice pivot mount that's very similar to this one. And you just push it on there like that, or there's an alternative place that you can mount it if you want to screw it into a wall or something like that. Standard night lighting, 2K plus, about 6 feet away, 2 feet away. It's got a pretty wide angle view. I'll post that up here, but you can notice it from just looking at the video. This is the 2K plus, complete darkness, about 6 feet away. It's about 2 feet away. The other good thing about the 2K, and this is another reason why I bought it, is that you can integrate the doorbell into the 2K. This is what the doorbell sounds like outside. This is what the doorbell sounds like on the inside. We have it wired to this standard analog doorbell chime, and we have the Mini 2K Plus. You can run the sound through here. This is what the doorbell video camera looks like 4 feet away during the day. 2 feet away when somebody's about ready to ring the doorbell. This is the front door video doorbell at night. This is the sound about 2 feet away. You can improve the quality of any security camera video by using motion sensitive lights. I have a video on that. I'll post it above and down below. We have motion sensitive lighting around the perimeter of the house to help make our videos better at night when you really need it. Here's the heart of the system. Lightweight. It's so much better than SimpliSafe. Keep your internet. It's a micro SD card. It functions just like any other micro SD card. Blink sells their own. I just decided to get one that was a little cheaper. This Lexar card is very reliable. I'll post all the hardware down below in case you're interested. It plugs in there like this. Take it out. Save your files, download. The one thing I don't like about this that the subscription provides is you can't select the rewrite capability. You have to go in there and manually do it. You can do it through the app. These are all the things that I recorded today. If you don't have the card in there, it won't record. It will take a little time with the card to upload what you saw. Sounds like the Doorbell. And the car in the background. If you looked at it, you're not concerned, you can just swipe it off like that, and that gets rid of the file. And this is range limited. This one goes out beyond 250 feet. If you go out beyond 250 feet, the quality of the video and the cameras goes down. But I just have this in my home, didn't extend the range. It's a little stronger than this one. You can put this anywhere in your house, and it's gonna detect the cameras and do everything you need to do with your home security. Whether you're on a budget or you're a millionaire, whether you're a techie or you're challenged by your smartphone, this system, for the price, you can't beat it. Under $200, maybe under $100, depending on when you get it and what components you're gonna have based on your situation. You cut the cord and there's no subscription. Buy the system and it pays for itself in savings on subscriptions in under a year. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of tech solutions, security solutions, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, home repairs, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what tech and money-saving solution you're gonna see.